Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So take what resonate. So let's see your reading. What are the messages for Sagittarius Fire Sign? Okay, the Fool and what are the messages for Sagittarius? What are the messages for Sagittarius Fire Sign? Under the deck, Page of Swords, Sagittarius. There is a lot of spying going between you and your person. Maybe your person spying on you on social media. Maybe you are spying on them social media. I think they are stalking on you. There is a lot of spying going and you want this happiness with your person and they want this happiness with you for some. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Fool, High Priestess and Nine of Wands. So the Fool. Maybe you started living in the present moment. You are going with the flow. And High Priestess, you are trusting your intuition, listening to higher self. Right now you are guarded. Right now you are guarded. You are not available emotionally to your person. And you are trusting your intuition. You are listening to your intuition. And you are investing energy on yourself. In recent past, you decided to be in the present moment and maybe you are not feeling lonely without your person. You are not feeling anymore because your intuition is telling you something. Definitely, you are listening to that. You are taking it into action. You started living in the present moment and that was past, then present. Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups and the Hermit. I think you undergoing some spiritual awakening. For some it could be your person also undergoing some spiritual awakening. And someone is returning definitely because Knight of Pentacles, if you are in separation with your person, they want to come back to you and this time they are serious about you. And you also have love for your person. Even though you decided to move on from this person, one part of you still have feelings for this person. For some, a new person is also coming towards you and that person has so much love for you. One is past and another one is new person is coming towards you. For some, it only one person coming back to you with love and this time your person is serious. Depends on situation, on your situation. Future, the Magician, Queen of Pentacles and the Moon. Yeah, your past person is coming back to you but there are some disturbances between both of you. Still there are some arguments. Something mysterious in this connection. Maybe your person hiding something from you but you are manifesting everything in your life. In near future you will be in this energy. Sagittarius and Queen of Pentacles, you in these times concentrating on your career, creating more money. Yeah, you are creating more money. You are doing maybe you are getting new job. Whatever, you concentrating on your abundance and growth in these times. In near future also. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, especially Virgo and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Gemini or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, your past person is coming back but they are in slow moving energy. So let's see your person feelings towards you. Your person feelings towards you, Sagittarius. Two cards. Eight of Wands, communication. Nine of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, The Fool. They want brand new beginnings with you. If you are in separation, they are coming back. And they want to communicate with you back and forthly, and they're missing you. And they're feeling lonely without you because Nine of Swords energy. They're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you. They can't let you go. And Wheel of Fortune, maybe your person waiting for the right time to approach you. You have the Fool. They want brand new beginnings with you, and they want to take leap of faith. Lots of communication. They're willing to communicate with you if you are in separation. I think for some you are in separation or no contact situation with your person. But you are concentrating on your career focus. You are very focused on your career, Sagittarius. So let's see their actions, intentions, actions or intentions. Temperance, it's your card, Sagittarius. It's you, and it's your reading. Knight of Cups under the deck. Yeah, they have so much love for you. They're coming back, but they're in very slow moving energy. And Temperance, yeah, patience is the key. They want to restore the balance in this connection. That's why Wheel of Fortune is here. They don't want to miss the opportunity with you. That's why they're taking their time. Maybe they're planning something. They want to be with you, and they have so much love for you, Sagittarius. And King of Cups, yeah, they want to offer this cup of love to you. They have so much love for you. They're missing you because Nine of Swords with King of Cups. They're missing you so much. That's why they want you back. Temperance and Knight of Cups. And Queen of Wands is here. Your person is also very powerful, grounded. So what I'm getting here, they will communicate with you and they're coming back for sure, but it will take some time because patience is the key. And your person is, they have so much love for you. Yeah, they're missing you. They will be back again, Sagittarius. So let's see the outcome from universe, where this connection is headed on, Sagittarius. Maybe they're realizing your worth once you go on, Sagittarius. Yeah, they have so much love for you. Maybe they're scared to come towards you. Maybe they're afraid. Maybe they did something wrong to you. Now they're feeling afraid or scared. But they're getting their strength to come back to you. They're rushing to communicate with you. They have so much love for you, Sagittarius. Yeah, they want success in this connection, and you also want success in this connection. You also want to be with your person. This is mutual, and you also thinking about them a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And this under the deck, the Star. They're still hoping new beginnings with you. They're still hoping that you will give another chance to them, and they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe they have options for some. They have to make their choice. They will choose you if they have options for some, not all. Yeah, I'm seeing that this relationship is going to be next level. Even though it is taking some time, it is worth waiting for. Yeah, under the deck, 10 of Pentacles, stability is coming. So the mutual card, Devil. I think you both are obsessed with each other. Maybe there is some obsession. Maybe this is on and off connection for you. There is some obsession. So clarification card for Devil. Yeah, they may be obsessed with you because you are doing your work, not giving. Yeah, maybe you focused on yourself. You started creating more money. You're investing energy on yourself, Sagittarius. Maybe that makes them obsessed with you. They're obsessed with you because the Devil card is here. I am not getting any toxic energy from this, only obsession. Yeah, they're obsessed with you. They will make a call to you. So let's see some messages from your person. But this is channel messages. Sagittarius. Wow, see, don't leave me behind. Please wait for me. And I always thinking about you. Wow, they always thinking about you, and maybe they are taking their time. That's why please wait for me. I already told you they're in slow moving energy. So I it is separation. So I think you both are in separation right now. But so don't leave me behind. So they will take their time, but they will come towards you. Please wait for me. They are always thinking about you, because I always thinking about you. Don't leave me behind, and please wait for me. Yeah, they're coming back. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Sagittarius. They're obsessed with you. They're thinking about you, and they're coming back. They have so much love for you. Look at the bigger picture, Sagittarius, especially full moon in Sagittarius. Yeah, if you are not saying that they are coming, but communication is coming, they are coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.